Hello guys, welcome to my Cook English guys. Today I am present how can I speak English. My first question, many video. Guys, how can I speak English? I can speak English, guys. Many persons uh, thinks how can I speak English about your English, guys. You are something knowledge English grammar, but absolutely very easy English grammar speak. But absolutely, guys, tenses knowledge and model auxiliary verbs knowledge and something grammar knowledge. You have grammar knowledge, but no knowledge and no speaking English. But absolutely, only depended by practice. Day by day practice and speaking your families and English conversation without be hesitation and very fluently speaking English. Guys, no, don't ask any person ki how can speak English, but absolutely more practice depended and fluently speaking English. It your families speaking English, but podcast, guys, many days facilities and speaking English depended and be hesitation fluently speaking English. Guys, summer vacation, in this period summer vacations, many families and babies, students, girls, boys, and gathers with family and CBSE board students very talented with your conversation and complete you are very easily English speaking. Only guys, self conversation mirror standing and sittings in the and speaking shelf now. Daily by daily, more conversation. Thanks for watching. God bless you.